But she needs to feel that fire, the one that lets her know for sure she's everything I want and more. A real desire, 'cause I know I'd walk alone out on the wire to make her feel that fire. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come up with new tutorials in the future. And also, please let me know of other song requests you want to learn, or different tips and techniques you want to learn and stuff like that in the comments, all right? So let's get right into it. This is Feel That Fire by Dierks Bentley. It's in standard tuning, and there's no capo on here, as you can see. So it's a pretty solid song to play. I would say the strumming pattern's not quite like the easiest, but it's also not the most intricate ever. Like it's not super difficult, so I think you guys can do it. And it's basically just a bunch of power chords. So at least the version I'm teaching you is a bunch of power chords. So let's get into it. So for the intro part, the chords that you're going to need for this song, all right, so what you're gonna use is A flat. So you're gonna do a bar on the 4th fret on the E string. And I actually am not barring the whole thing on this, I'm just playing it like a power chord. So I'm just putting my pointer finger, all right, on the E string on the 4th fret, my ring finger goes on the 6th fret on the A string, and then my pinky finger goes on the 6th fret on the D string, okay? And then I'm not playing a bar chord on this, but I am touching the other string, so it's muting them. You hear that? So you don't hear these down here, okay? Because it's touching them. So that's A flat. Okay, then you're gonna slide down 2 frets from there. You're gonna stay on those strings. You're gonna still be on the E, A, and D. So basically your pointer is gonna go on the 2nd fret, and your other 2 fingers go on the 4th frets, okay? So you're just doing, that's A flat, then you go to F sharp. Okay, then what you're gonna do next is, I believe this is C sharp minor. So what you're gonna do is and it might just be C sharp, but we're gonna call it C sharp minor for this. So you're gonna put your pointer finger here on the 4th fret. So you're gonna be right next to where you were for the A flat, but you're gonna be on the A, D, and G strings. So pointer finger goes on the 4th fret on the A string, your ring finger goes on the 6th fret on the D string, and your pinky goes on the 6th fret on the G string. Okay, and again, you're touching the other one, so you're doing. Okay. Then you go back to the A flat. So that's gonna be like 90% of the song is those ones, okay? I'll show you the other chords when we get there for the bridge, because it's really simple. It's just one other chord. So the way you start the song, if you want to play the intro, so you could play the intro just by doing you could just do the A flat, F sharp, C sharp minor, and then go back to the A flat. Okay? That would work fine. Now, if you want to do the intro part, you're gonna be doing the same chords, but you're gonna be picking and palm muting. So palm mute, put this part of your hand as close as you can right here, not on it, but right in front of it, okay? And then you're gonna be plucking the E string first. So you're doing down, down, and then you hit the 6th fret ones, okay? Down, down. So you do 4, 4, 6, then you do 4, 4, 6. Okay, now this one's gonna be a little bit hard because you're actually supposed to be alternating it here. So you're doing 4, 4, 6, 4, 4, 6. Down, down. So you do down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. So you're doing down, up, down, up, down. So you do down, up, down, up. So you're starting on the E string, you do down, down. Then you do the A and D strings, and you do down, and then you go back onto the E string, down, up, and then you do the A and D strings again, down, okay? And then you're gonna do the exact same thing and slide down 2 frets, okay? And so you're gonna do the F sharp one here, down, 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 up, down, up, down. And then you're gonna go over here and do the same thing on the C sharp minor. But except for on this one, you're gonna be hitting the A, and you're gonna do A and then D and G. Okay, just like that. If that's hard, you don't have to do it that way. Just do it. Just play the regular chords. Okay. Now, then what you're gonna do you're gonna play that through once, and then you're gonna go into the first verses where you start playing the lyrics. So what you're supposed to do here is palm mute, and you're supposed to be doing she wants to wear nails black. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so you're palm muting. You don't have to, but it sounds better. This is what they're doing on the album. So you're You're gonna play A flat, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Let me see if you can see this here. And then, so on this one, I'm not only trying to hit like the E and then the A and D strings. I'm actually trying to hit all three of them. And I'm just doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. You can tell when I hit the D strings, it sounds higher. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so you're just doing down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Then you go down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So you just do A flat. She wants to wear her nails black. Then you do slide down after black to F sharp. She wants the toy, the Cracker Jack. And then you go to C sharp minor. She wants to ride the bull at the rodeo. Okay, so when you're on that one, C sharp minor, you do she down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, then you switch to the A flat again. Okay, so she wants to wear the bull at the rodeo. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So you do. Then you're going to go into it again, and I'll go over that last part because the strumming pattern's a little bit different there. I'll go over that last part and the next part here. So you do, she wants to wear my shirt to bed. She wants to make her tray a pet. Then you go to C sharp minor, drive around in my. So you're doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you can even just kind of, I mean, if you want to do a little bit faster, you don't have to do it exactly as I am. I think this is the way to play it. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Just like that. And drive around in my truck with no place to go. Okay, and then you're gonna, go is where you're gonna do A flat. Okay, and then when you do the chorus, so you're gonna keep playing that same chord progression until the only part that's you don't really do that is the bridge, and then right after the chorus when you're like transitioning. So you're gonna do, but she needs to feel. Feel is where you play A flat. Feel that fire, the one that makes her know for sure she's everything I want and more to feel. Okay, so what you're gonna do is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay, let me show you, do that one more time for you slowly. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 down. Okay, so you're doing. She needs to feel is A flat. Feel that fire. So when you're doing down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, you're actually going to be doing down, up, down, up, down, up after. So you're doing down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down for the chorus. It sounds better. You can do either one. I think it sounds better if you add the extra down, up, down, up, down, up at the end of it. Okay. So what you just do, she wants to feel. She needs to feel is A flat. Feel that fire. So fire is F sharp. Okay, so that's easy to remember because it starts with F. Fire. One is C sharp minor. One that lets her know for sure she's everything I want and more. So you see, you're going to be doing C sharp minor for a long time there. Lets her know for sure she's everything I want and more. Real is A flat. Desire is F sharp minor. Sorry, F sharp. Desire. To know is C sharp minor. To know I'd walk alone out on the wall. And then what you're gonna do is after wire, you're just gonna do one, let it ring, to make her feel that fire. And then you're gonna palm mute again, and you're gonna do A flat just like you did at the beginning. And then you're gonna do, so you're gonna go A flat, and then you're gonna do F sharp, and then you can skip it. I think it sounds better, but you can skip it and you can just go to the, you could do C sharp minor, or you can skip it and just go right back to A flat. All right, second verse is the same as the first one. Second chorus is the same. Now, after the second chorus, you're just gonna be playing, you're gonna keep playing the chorus through. This is where they just do the instrumental. So I would just play it through twice, okay? After you play the chorus through twice with no lyrics, you're gonna play B, and I'm just playing the rip-off B because it's easier for a lot of you guys. So you're just gonna do power chord. I'm not even barring it on this. Power chord, pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, ring finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string, and your pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the G string, okay? So you're just doing, so as long as there's a breath to take. And okay, so you're doing B on here. So as long as, where you start with B. So as long as there's a breath to take, a chair smile. Okay, so then smile, you're gonna do F sharp. So then you just go up from here to here. Super easy. Watch. So this is B, that's F sharp. So super easy. So as long as there's a breath to take, a smile. So on smile is where you're gonna do F sharp. Smile to share a prayer to pray, a chance. So on chance is where you go back to B. A chance to hold her hand to fan the flame. So you can stay on B. I think it sounds better if you slide up from B to C sharp minor. To flame, she wants to feel that fire. So for the strumming pattern for the bridge is going to be, so as long, so you do like a down one and you take a small break. So as long as there's, and I'm just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you do it. So as long as there's a breath to take, a smile to share, a prayer to pray, a chance to hold her hand to fan the flame. Okay, so you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. She wants to feel that fire. Okay, and then you're gonna go back into the last chorus. So that's it. That's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or requests. Thanks for watching, and see me next time.